Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do an Archie Rollover, though technically I suppose this one should actually be called a return Archie Rollover because it's going to be happening in a return direction for the ladies. Don't need to have done an Archie before, so we can just jump straight in. Looks like this. It goes 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let's break that down. Starts off man's left, ladies right. We go semicircle push, step back. We're going to be taking the hand over to the right and down. We're trying to turn the lady so she's turning sideways on. We're turning to our right, ladies are turning to their left, and we're going to keep that rotation going. We're going to have the hand down, but we're going to continue to create a position where we're back to back. We're going to take the hand over the top. Remember guys to reach back far enough that it's comfortable for the lady, and we're going to have shoulder contact because it's going to be quite slow. We're going to come around, it's going to go over the top. We're actually going to use the shoulders to help push the lady away, lower, push and step back. So let's do that again from the other side and think numbers. We go semicircle and back 1. We're coming in, taking the hand down to the right as we start to come around back to back 2. We go over the top 3, pushing away 4 and facing 5. So you can style this lots of different ways too, but let's just try the basic. Here we go. 5, a 6, 7 and 8. We go a back, down, over, away and look. Now we made it very clear on each of the counts, so it's like this, then this, then this. You can smooth them out so you don't feel like you're stopping so much on the points. We'll do that one more time, and this time we're going to flow through it more, so you can try either way. So it goes 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another Intermediate Modern Jive Clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. Thank you very much to everyone who subscribes. It helps promote the channel. Any questions, just stick them in the comments below, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.